Ahoj, tady Jitka, učitelka češtiny. A tohle je minikurs češtiny, lekce 3. Today we're going to learn how to order coffee and beer. Let's do it. Tohle je pivo. 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 Make sure you pronounce everything after me nice and loud. This is how you learn the right pronunciation. Pivo. Pivo. And how to order it? The most simple way, you can say 1 beer, please. Literally meaning once a beer, please. Which in Czech sounds jednou pivo, prosím. Prosím, please. Jednou, once. Pivo, beer. Let's try again. Jednou pivo, prosím. Jednou pivo, prosím. When you get your beer, it's very important to know how to say cheers. In Czech, we say on health. We drink on health. True health, we say na zdraví. Too many consonants here. Let me cut it up for you. Na, literally mean on. Zdraví. Zdra is short, even though there are too many consonants. V long. Na zdraví. Na zdraví. Na zdraví. That's that. Let's order some coffee, shall we? Coffee in Czech. Káva. Long, short. Káva. Your turn. Káva. And we can use the same phrase. Once coffee, please, which would be jednou kávu, prosím. Notice the change of the letter here. It's not a mistake. That's one of the features of the Czech language. So don't freak out. If the word looks similar, but the ending is different, you probably still mean the same thing. Takže jednou kávu, prosím. Your turn. Fairly easy, but frankly, who's just going to say a coffee, please? You probably want an Americano, a latte, a cappuccino. So I've got really good news for you, because in Czech, it looks like this. We just pronounce it in a slightly more Czech way, which would be espresso, espresso lungo, americano, double espresso, cortado, cappuccino, cafe latte, or only latte, flat white, espresso tonic, veg brew. And how can we ask for this? Again, we can say jednou, once, something, something, please. Jednou, prosím. For instance, me, I drink americano, so I'm going to say jednou americano, prosím. Look like this. Jednou americano, prosím. Faye, what about you? Can you let me know in the comments what would you order? We can also upgrade and learn how to say with milk or without milk, with sugar or without sugar. S mlékem. So notice the preposition is pronounced together with the word that comes after it. So it becomes s mlékem. And you know that this symbol means the syllable is long. So we're going to say s mlé, long, kem, short. S mlékem. S mlékem. With milk. Or bez mléka. I don't want milk. Bez, without. Bez mléka. So what Americano would you have? Jedno Americano s mlékem or jedno Americano bez mléka, prosím. We can also learn how to say with sugar. S cukrem. S cukrem. Let me chop it up. S cukrem. S cukrem. Or without sugar, bez cukru. Bez cukru. So what coffee would you like? Let me know in the comments, please. I'm gonna have jedno Americano bez mléka a bez cukru, prosím. A ty? Mléko, therefore, means milk. Notice the word changes because with milk sounds s mlékem, without milk, bez mléka. Sugar, cukr, cukr. So these are the forms you will find in the dictionary, but when we use it in phrases like with milk, it's a little bit different. So s mlékem. Tak jo. Have you got any questions? Let me know in the comments. And therefore, one more thing we need to learn today. Děkuju. After you've ordered your coffee, you're going to say děkuju. Chop it up again. Děkuju. Děkuju. To je thank you. And then you're going to say, or, okay, you can go for saying thank you very much, which is děkuju moc. Your turn. Děkuju moc. And goodbye, we've learned that lesson number 1 or 2. Goodbye is nashledanou. Na shledanou. Nashledanou. Tak jo. Děkuju. Thank you. Nashledanou. Goodbye. Hope you're enjoying this course. If you have any questions, let me know. And this is the overview for the next lessons. We've learned how to say hi. We've learned how to say, how to ask people how they are. And today we learned how to order coffee and beer. And tomorrow we're going to chit-chat about weather. That could be fun. And if you want to join one of my group lessons, group courses that start in February, go to my website, czechformyboyfriend.com and sign up. I'll be looking forward to you. Tak zatím, nashledanou.